In this video, I am going to show you how to use the Zapier integration feature in SurveyFunnel. Zapier integration is a powerful feature that lets you connect SurveyFunnel with thousands of the most popular apps, like Google Sheets, MailChimp, and more, so that you can automate your work. Before you get started, make sure that your API key is activated, as this is a pro feature. Click on SurveyFunnel Dashboard. Look for the survey you want to integrate with Zapier. Click on the Configure icon. Here, you will see the option for Zapier integration. Click on Create Zap. You will need to log into your Zapier account. If you do not have one yet, then you can sign up for free. Check out the links in description. In Zapier, the integrations you create are called zaps. The next step is to create a zap that sends information from your surveys to another service. Add a title for your zap. Next step is setting up a trigger, or an event that starts your zap. Type out SurveyFunnel on the search bar, and select this plugin. Zapier will display your trigger options under Trigger Event. SurveyFunnel only has one trigger option, New Survey Entry. In the next step, you'll connect Zapier to SurveyFunnel on your website. To do this, click on the Create New Account button and enter the details like website, API key and product ID. You will get these information in your My Account section of club.wp. Next, select the survey you would like to use from the dropdown, and click Continue again. Note that the survey that you have selected will need at least one entry for the test to work. Pull in sample entries to test your connection and test trigger. Check the trigger test results, and click on Continue. The next step is setting up your action event. After checking your sample entries, Zapier will ask you to select an app event. This is the action you want to take place in response to the trigger. This app is the service you'd like to send your survey entry details to. Zapier has over 3,000 apps and services available to choose from. After selecting an app, Zapier will walk you through the steps to pass survey data to your chosen service. These steps will depend on which service you integrate with. That's it. Your zap is created. So, this is how you can use Zapier integration feature in SurveyFunnel Plugin. For more tutorials like this, subscribe to this channel and we will see you in the next video.